Hello everyone and good morning. I hope you are all having a fantastic time. Today I will be reviewing another EA that has been highly requested. It is called Gold Veritas MT5. This is for gold trader who really love to trade on gold, but they cannot find reliable EA to trade on gold pairs, and this one might be a solution. So the pairs it only trade on gold, which is gold US dollar, gold GPY, gold Australian dollar, and gold euro. And the time frame for this EA, it is on 5-minute time frame because this is a scalper EA. It only hold trade from 1 hour to 2 hours only. Recommended broker, this EA require ECN account and low spread on gold. It is recommended you use low VPS and low latency VPS, as I explained in my previous video. The amazing thing, this EA does not use any type of martingale or grid, and each trade is protected by stop loss TP. Minimum deposit is $100 only. So we can see for this gold EA, it is currently trending and many people are purchasing it, and we have version 1.1 and 4.5 star. That means the EA is performing good, at least for now. And you can see this is something new and this is fully automated for gold. So we know gold trading is very difficult and there are many EAs that is not safe for gold. They are either using martingale or grid, or they have low win rate and many issues. But this EA seemed to be solved a lot of issue for gold trading. So it only trade on 4 pair of gold, and it say that you have to be careful. Not all broker provide these pairs, so you have to be careful. The EA use Arthur price action template and position tracking algorithm, so it mean he have a special algorithm, and using price action it take trade on gold. So it has many features that I like. First, it uses pending order to reduce slippage. EA does not use average, martingale, or any dangerous method, which is very amazing. The most important point that I really like about this EA, and I will be honest, is this one. All transaction it will be closed within 3 and 5 hours. It is very good for us, and each trade is accompanied with stop loss, take profit, and also limitation of life of transaction. So that mean maybe this will be a timely transaction. Perhaps that's what it mean. Maybe there is expire for one trade. It doesn't matter if it is stop loss or take profit, it will close it. I believe this is what mean limitation of life. Now we have volatility filter optimized for each currency pair. EA does not use news filter, so mean it does not use news filter. We have comply FIFO rules. Some broker in the United States or UK require this rule. And recommendation, you can start with $100, but since we are dealing with the gold, I recommend, in my own opinion, $300 at least. This will be safer and it will give you lower drawdown. So the author also recommend you use gold on ECN or raw account and looping. We have explained each of these in the past, so this is very important condition. We have general setting. I will explain it in the later on. So we can see gold Veritas or Veritas, how that is pronounced. We can see the backtesting, and the maximum drawdown is only 15%, and it made a lot of profit over the time. So this is very amazing, but we need live result, and you can see the trade. For example, it open buy and it close it here, and open sell and it close it here. So we have many positive review, and the EA he optimized the parameter and take care of his EA, which is very important. We also have the live result with 76% win rate, 23% losing rate. This is very high win rate EA, and the drawdown is only 8%, because I told you you need to use at least $300, and this will reduce the drawdown even to 5% perhaps, in my own opinion. We have 33% gain, which is very amazing, and he is using live account on IC market, and he is also using live account on IC market MT5. Now one thing I really like is the average holding time. It is only 2 hours. It is scalping, which is very amazing. There aren't so many EA available in the moment that have low average time. And for the table, yes, we need more data, but for now at least it is performing very well. In September we have 22%, October we have 7%, and November we have 1%. So it means this is a safe EA for MT4. And another key factor I really like, you see the drawdown curvature. We don't have anything like this. For example, you can see it means each trade is protected by stop loss, so that's why we have a stable chart. You can see we don't have something like that or something like that, which is very amazing. For the drawdown, the maximum it has been only 8%, and the normal drawdown is from 5% on average. As I told you before, I believe if you have $500, since gold lot size is different, and you will have lower drawdown in my own opinion. For the trading history, we can see we have take profit and we have a stop loss. We have, I believe, trailing stop loss, and it is very good. It is high win rate EA, or at least for the gold. One thing I like, another point to mention, on a daily basis, for example, let me show you here. We have, for example, this 3rd of November, you can see we only have 3 trades per day and on different pairs. You can see it is on different time and it does not use any martingale or any grid. However, we have opening at this price and closing only, I believe, in 1 hour or something like that. So a trade, I believe, in the night between 23 and 1 a.m. That is probably one thing. Maybe the spread gonna be a little bit high, I believe, in this period of time, but however, since he is using pending order, it will be okay. And we can expect that on daily basis we might have 3 or 4 trade per day only, which is very amazing. I like this EA that have 3 or 4 trade per day and give you consistently sense of trading. For the statistic, yes, it is still a little bit early to decide and judge, but for now we have 64 trades, 76% win rate, 23 losing rate, and the risk to reward ratio is similar, which is amazing because he is keeping the win rate high and keeping the risk to reward at the same size. Now the average holding time, this is very key factor, and this is advantage for this EA, which is very amazing for now. And for the symbol, it only trade on this gold pair. For the risk size, you can see by equity we only have 8%. Perhaps there are 3 trade opening and some drawdown happen, but for balance we only have 4%. So the drawdown is not issue. I believe this is low drawdown EA and it will be very costly in the future. This will be a very good EA. Now for the MT5 and for the broker, I recommend you use Fusion Broker because we have all the pairs that the EA require. So what you do, you put EA on each of the chart and all of them should be in 5-minute time frame. You put the EA and simply allow like algo trading. And here, this is one important thing you have to focus on it, which is GMT offset. So for IC market and Fusion market, they are using GMT3. If you don't know what is your GMT time, simply ask your broker on the support. They will provide you the answer. And here you can change the comment, and magic number should be different for each one of them, and auto lot size, I supposedly you just let that in default. And here you can see we have live EA on the smiley, or we don't have smiley but we have, you know, this blue icon. It means the EA is on, and it gives you the volume on the next trade on $1,500. So this EA gold Veritas is very impressive and I'm looking forward to test it, but I believe it could work for the long term. You have to change the magic number for another pair. You have to also check for the, you know, GMT offset and click on OK, and you can see you just have to put it on all of these 4 charts, and just like that you apply the EA for each one of these pair, and you make sure you have different magic number from this one to this one because you don't want to interface. And this is absolutely amazing EA. I'm looking forward to test it and give you full analysis maybe in 1 or 2 months, but for now I believe it is worth to give it a shot. So my conclusion, we have live result, the average holding time is low, and EA does not use Martingale or any grid. On the downside, we need ECN, low spread on each pair of gold, and you need low latency VPS. But over the whole score for this EA, I believe it really worth 4.5 star, and it worth it to give it a shot. So that is all for today. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.